Hi. This is actually a decent problem on number theory. Let's get started. So they're saying that A, B, C be three constants which are all greater than equal to 4, and this actually belongs to. So they're belonging to the set of integers, not all equal. That means at most we can have a pair, you know, equal, right? So two of them can be equal. Now they're saying that if 4A, B, C is whatever this, so what is A plus B plus C? So you could have multiple routes, for this question. What I thought was, since definitely, like, you can write A, B, C as this A plus 3 times. So basically, you're just taking this 4 in the denominator here, right? B plus 3 times C plus 3 upon 4. Okay, wait, actually. Yeah. Now, that means this numerator has to be carrying, a minimum, let's say it has to be carrying something like this, like for, in the minimum, right? It can also have, definitely, it can also have two, uh, you can say this also, right? But minimum 2 has to be in the exponent of 2, right? So, without the loss of generality, you can say that, okay, maybe A plus 3 is actually 4, right? But this would not satisfy because A comes out to be 1 here, but A has to be greater than equal to 4, right? So maybe you can take it some other multiple of 4. So let's say we take it as 8, right? That ways, what happens is your A comes out to be 5. So, okay. Now, if my A is 5, that means my 5, uh, B, C is equal to, so this is 2, right? 2 B plus 3 times C plus 3. Okay. Okay. Now, since RHS is a multiple of, RHS is having 2 in it, so that means LHS has to be a multiple of 2, right? Uh, so here also you can consider B as, let's say, B as 2, right? But that is not allowed because B has to be greater than equal to 4. So let's say you take B as the very minimum even number, right? Because that will be divisible by 2. So let's say we take B as 4, right? If we take B as 4, we'll be having 20C is, so this comes out to be what? 2 times 7, which is actually 14, right? Uh, right? Okay. 14C plus 3, right? That means your 6C comes out to be 42, right? That means your C comes out to be 7. And this is actually one of the answers, right? So that means A plus B plus C, if you do, so that's what? That's 16, right? So A plus C plus, okay, actually, uh, A plus B plus C is actually 16. Yeah. Okay. Now this is one of the answers. Maybe you can say, let's say you increase B by 1, so you'll decrease C by 1, like that. You can have, I think, different pairs, triplets also. Uh, yeah. So okay. I mean, decent problem actually.